For years, the global economy lived on speculation. We treated artificial intelligence like a digital deity, omnipresent and infinitely valuable. But as we entered 2026, the era of limitless hype ended. The burst that many predicted wasn't a total collapse. Instead, it was a mass extinction of companies that lacked a foundation. In 2026, the market stopped paying for potential and started demanding proven mechanics. The real story of this era isn't the burst, it's the golden age of agency. While early models could only suggest, the 2026 models can act. We have transitioned from passive chatbots to proactive agents. These are not just conversational interfaces. They are autonomous systems built on a perception-to-action loop. They observe digital environments, decide on a course of action, and execute it, all within carefully defined guardrails. In the workplace, the shift is seismic. Yesterday's AI was a co-pilot, offering advice. Today's agents are taking the controls. We see them running marketing experiments, triaging customer support tickets, and executing entire quality assurance pipelines without human intervention. This is the engine behind the jobless productivity boom. Corporate output is climbing to record highs, even as hiring remains flat. The focus of management has shifted from overseeing people to overseeing systems. Success is no longer measured by hours worked, but by the efficiency of the automated agents in place. Managers now track throughput, latency, and error budgets, fine-tuning the performance of their digital workforce. Crucially, this autonomy is governed. Every action is logged, every major decision requires approval, and every process has a rollback protocol. It's not just about automation, it's about building auditable, reliable, and highly productive systems of work. Power has become the ultimate currency. The exponential growth of the AI golden age is currently hitting a very physical wall. The electrical grid, the insatiable appetite of large-scale models, means a single training run can consume as much electricity as a small city. Suddenly, the abstract world of software is governed by the hard realities of industrial infrastructure. Copper for wiring, high-voltage transformers with multi-year lead times, and the sheer availability of reliable baseload power are now the primary constraints on growth. It's no longer just about finding land. It's about securing a direct line to gigawatts of power, forcing data centers to be built right next to nuclear plants and massive solar farms. This has ignited a silent global scramble for resources. We are seeing a new, brutal digital divide. Nations that can power massive compute clusters are entering a post-scarcity era of economic and scientific efficiency, automating entire industries. Those that cannot are facing a structural disadvantage, locked out of this next phase of productivity. It is a cold calculation of megawatts versus GDP, where energy surplus directly translates into a strategic upper hand on the world stage. The race for AI dominance is now a race for energy dominance. So, where is the market going now that the initial frenzy has subsided? The answer isn't found in another groundbreaking demo or a charismatic CEO's keynote. The market is moving toward invisible AI. The era of overt, attention-grabbing artificial intelligence is giving way to something far more profound and integrated. The hype cycle is over, not because the technology failed, but because it has succeeded so completely that it is becoming the new plumbing of the global economy. Like electricity or the internet before it, AI is receding from the spotlight to become a foundational, assumed layer of our world. It is being quietly embedded in the tools we use every day. Our spreadsheets, which now anticipate our financial models. Our legal codes, where AI agents draft and review contracts with inhuman precision. And our global logistics networks, where autonomous systems optimize every shipment in real time. This fundamental shift demands a new investment thesis. The old playbook is obsolete. Therefore, don't look at the stock tickers of the companies building the AI models. Their race for marginal gains is a high-stakes, low-margin battle. Instead, look at the profit margins of the companies that focus on the quiet revolutionaries in manufacturing, healthcare, and finance who are deploying these agentic systems to redefine efficiency. That is where the 2026 fortune is being made. Not in the abstract value of a foundational model, but in the tangible compounding value it creates for the end user. The burst of 2025 was for the speculators, a frantic gold rush for digital real estate. This emerging golden age is for the architects and the operators, those who build the systems of reality. The true winners won't be the ones selling the shovels, they will be the ones who use them to build empires. If this helped, subscribe for more insights. New videos weekly.